Now, speaking of Samsung, with their folding, flapping, did I screw up the order of the articles here?
No.
Yeah, that's the wrong one there. Oh, there we go.
Is it this one?
I did or you did? No, that's the wrong one.
That's the wrong
I
one.
don't even know if you have it.
Okay, what is
Click
it?
that one. No, that's not it.
Oh, boy.
Samsung has launched a trial program, which I think it's actually the S up at the top there. I'm going to guess. You have another S if you go more to the right. Ah, never mind. They've launched a trial program, Samsung.
Okay.
Willie Doo's going to learn how to Google here real quick. And it's going to let you try one of their folding devices, either the Z Flip 5G or the Z Fold 2 5G. They're going to let you try it for 100 days. See if you like it. That's quite a long time.
Yeah.
With a smartphone.
Uh-huh.
That's more than 3 months, Will.
It is.
You don't even need an Excel spreadsheet to tell you that.
No.
100 days, and they say, look, we're going to give you a trade-in credit, enhanced trade-in credit of $550 on approved devices, and a $200 instant credit toward your wish list accessories and more. This is a limited time only. And if after 100 days you're not into it, no problemo. Here's your cash. It's the first time they've done a program like this. The previous return window was only 15 days.
Right.
And that's because these, it's a sensitive, it's a premium device with a folding display. So you're not expecting any kind of tremendous return policy. Now, I know they just sort of flipped the language over here. You could say, oh, we have a 3-month return window. But that doesn't sound cool.
No.
When you say a 100-day trial, I'm like, let me give it a shot.
Yeah, it seems more enticing.
See what happens to my voice? I go, let me give it a shot.
Uh-huh.
That's what happens when you write that to me. I feel like I want a trial. Who doesn't want a trial? And they obviously are believing that most people are going to stick with it after the trial. Otherwise, they're going to be getting a lot of used devices back, and that's no fun. So they believe in their product to the extent that 3 months in, you're addicted. 3 months in, you're a folder.
Folder?
You're a folder.
Okay.
You're a folder for life.